Hey everyone, I'm Dana and this is Dana Does It. In this video, I'm going to show you guys my marketing tree, if you will. As many of you know, I have a jewelry line by Dana Ashli, and this year for the Christmas holiday season, actually this is my first Christmas Black Friday holiday season, I wanted to create like a Christmas tree for marketing. So this is what I came up with, and I'm going to be using this. I'm going to be taking pictures of it, and I'm going to be using it for some of my Instagram posts. I'm also going to take a video of it for IG Reels. So I'm just going to use it for a whole host of things. I got a lot of stuff from different places. I do have a video of a haul I did on this, so I'll link that up in the card so that you guys can see that. But the things that were not in that haul, I will describe those right now. The skirt, I got the skirt from Hobby Lobby. They actually have mini tree skirts, and then these black little ornaments I actually got from Hobby Lobby as well. And then I'll start from top to bottom. I have the little star up here, and then I have the mini tree garland that goes all the way around it. And I sell jewelry, so it was really easy for me to put it on a mini tree. So if you have smaller items, or even if you like sell candles or bath bombs, you can like stick it in the tree or put it around the bottom, or just use your imagination, and or you can just use your larger Christmas tree to decorate and soup up before you put your original decorations on there. So I use my earring cards, and I have some earring cards that are kind of like scratched up from the different posts and stuff. So this was a great way for me to use those because I wasn't going to use them anyway. I wasn't going to give them to a customer in order or anything because they're kind of, janky. So I punched a hole in the top of the earring card, and then I just stuck it on here. So I have my blackout boots that are coming out on Black Friday, my crystal cubes that are coming back out on Black Friday because they're sold out, and then I have my star earrings. I have a set over here, and then at the bottom I just placed my boxes with a bow on them, and this is how I package my jewelry. So I just put 3 of these at the bottom, and then I just laid it out like this, and I just think it came out super cute. And like I said, I'm going to be using this for videos, like promo stuff for the holidays, and pictures, and kind of like flat lay type things. So I'm just so excited about how it came out. It wasn't that expensive. This mini tree, these items and ornaments and stuff, they're not very costly, and now is the time where you can get some of it like 50% off and stuff. So I would definitely check it out. Craft stores and stuff, they have all of this stuff already out, and get it now before it runs out. I was in Hobby Lobby this past Saturday, and people were in there going crazy over Christmas stuff. So get the stuff now for your holiday marketing, however you want to market. Be creative, do your best. This is my first Black Friday, Cyber Monday small business, so I'm really excited about it. I'm just testing out different things. If you guys want to follow me on bydanaashli.com, not bydanaashli.com, by Dana Ashli on IG. The link will be in the description box below. Follow me, and then if you send me a DM that you're from YouTube, I'll follow you back. And so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing to get myself out there. I'm a sort of an introvert by nature, so I'm really trying to be social on social, which is a little difficult for me because I'm a private person. But for the sake of my business, I really want to get out there, and I want people to get to know me so that I can, so they can love me, and then in turn love my brand. I want to give of myself and then give of my craft. So I'll see how it goes. Like I said, follow me over there. Check out my website if you want some of these pieces. And then also, if you guys leave your business websites below because I want to shop small for Black Friday and for the holidays. So if you have a business, put it below. As you guys know, I love to incorporate female-owned businesses on my YouTube channel. I like to support female-owned businesses with like small businesses and stuff like that because I think we need to support each other. So I would love to feature some of your items on my channel. So yeah, I want to purchase from you guys. I think that's about it. If you have any questions about my tree, like I said, if you look at the previous video, I have a haul on where I got most of this stuff. I also have a video on my earring cards and my packaging. So check that video out as well. I guess I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Later.